Hi everyone, I am Maksymenko, Head of Engineering at Sempal. We are in Kiev, Ukraine now, and this video just to show you our manufacture a little. You can see our meteorology laboratory, and here we have powering systems for testing and calibration of flow meter sections. Now you can see everybody works now, and we have some troubles with electricity and water in Ukraine, it's true, but for the last 8 months, the Sempal have started to do with it well. Be sure that we have enough of staff and enough of technical equipment to keep working and even to increase our capacity. We are grateful to our partners and our clients for cooperation and support. And we will be glad to find the best technical solution for you. So, let's support Ukrainian economy and move it forward. Thanks.